In this video, I'll show you how to use Tally. So to collect email addresses quickly and effectively. Start by opening your browser and going to Tally. So then log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, either open an existing form or create a new one. To collect emails, simply add an email input field to your form and include a clear question like "What's your email?" so people know exactly what to enter. Next, make sure the email field is marked as required. This ensures no one can submit the form without providing an email address. If you want higher data accuracy, Tally also offers email verification, which is available on the Pro plan. After that, customize the look of your form by adjusting fonts, colors, or adding a cover image so it matches your brand and feels trustworthy. Once everything looks good, publish the form. Tally will generate a shareable link or embed option that you can use anywhere. Now, share that form link on your website, social media, newsletters, or landing pages to start collecting emails. To automate your workflow, you can connect Tally with tools like email marketing platforms or automation services so new submissions are added directly to your mailing list. And that's it. With a simple form and the right setup, Tally.so makes building an email list fast, clean, and highly effective.